Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another cool product. This is really interesting. This is from CreeBulb.com. This is the Cree LED bulb, and it's the BR30 soft white flood lamp at 100-watt wall replacement. Now, they sent us two different ones. These are the big wide ones and then the small ones. And I got to tell you, I'm super impressed. These light up my area beautifully. I really enjoyed putting them into my kitchen, and wow, it was just like, oh my gosh, wow, there's lights here all of a sudden. These things are really nice. They have 25,000 hours of rated lifetime to them. They'll save you about an estimated $230 a year in energy savings, and yearly cost is $1.99 based on 3 hours a day. Color temperature 2700 K, and it's dimmable with no buzz and no hum, and it comes instantly on once you turn it on. Beautiful, beautiful flood lamp. It does a great job for me when it comes to how everything looks. And so you can, this will fit in most of your 5 to 6 inch recessed cans for track lighting, and gives you just beautiful soft white light. I definitely loved it, and I think you will too. Go to CreeBulb.com, that's CreeBulb.com, and check out their BR30 flood lamps.
Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way, gotta find out what's in the box.